How to add your own songs to your Instagram story. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can add your own songs to your Instagram story. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go in your Instagram and here you have to click on this plus icon and go on the story. Now here you have to add the story that you want to add. Now once you are in here, in the top there is the various icons. You have to click on the sticker to add the music. Now if you click on the music, now as you can see that there is no option to add your own music, but you can add the any of the music from there. You can also search the music that you want to add. Now there is second method to add your own music. For that what you have to do is simply go back, and from here you have to create a story, and in this story you can add the song by the default. And if you don't want to add the default song, what you have to do is simply go back and you have to use any third party application like the app shot or the CapCut, and from there you can add a music video to your Instagram story, and from there you are able to add your own songs to your Instagram story. And from there you just have to open up your Instagram and go on the story recents, and from here you have to put that story in which you select your own music. So that's how you can add your own music to your Instagram story. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.